Hello everyone, my name is Contientious and welcome back to another video. So today, I'm going to be going over what Warhammer 40,000 is and how to get into it. So this is sort of a continuation of last week's video, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, please go check out the video linked in at the top of the description first, then come back to this one so you can figure out the theme and how everything goes. So, what is Warhammer 40,000? A very old set of wargaming rules for sci-fi battles. First published in 1987, so this is a very, very old game, in case you could not tell. Currently it's on 9th edition, released July of 2020. I got into the game around June, July. Didn't play my very first game until December, but, you know, who cares? I still played it. It was written by Rick Priestley as a spin-off of his Warhammer Fantasy Battles rule set that was written in 1983. So, yeah. In case you're wondering where the 40,000 comes from, that's the year it takes place in the 41st millennium. So there's a couple spin-off games for it, and the most popular ones, / the ones I know, are Space Hulk, Necromunda, and Kill Team. Depending on the one you get into, it's a bit easier to get into, let's say, Kill Team, because there's a lot less units you have to worry about, and each unit plays a bigger role on the table. Whereas 40k, you need 5 units to play 5 different types of squads that you can, and that's 5 different data sheets you need to know. So it's a bit overwhelming at first, but once you learn the rules and play a couple games, you get a hang of it. And there's a lot of people who like the game. There's a lot of people who like and play the game. You can find resources for the game pretty much anywhere. You look on YouTube, search up Warhammer 40,000, getting started. There's probably like 1,000 videos on it. Instagram, Facebook, the Games Workshop's website, Warhammer community, everywhere. There's resources to get into the game if you need any help. Hell, if you need help, message me on Instagram. I'll do my best to help you, but I'm not amazing at this game. I've been playing this game for about half the time I've even known about wargaming. So, how to get started? So I started with the Recruit Edition and 10 Assault Intercessors. So the Recruit Edition comes with everything you need to play a game: the recruit manual, data sheets, models, terrain, mat, dice, rulers, etc. And then I played a couple games, and then I went out and bought the Intercessors. One thing to note is, sadly, I painted those 5 Intercessors and that Lieutenant up as a Ultramarines unit, so I can't incorporate them into my Dark Angels army, which sucks, but you know, I was a dumbass. Oops, I said the curse word. So, yeah. That's what I started with. Yeah. How to get started. Again, so first you want to pick an army, just like Bolt Action. For me, I chose Ethel Militant Imperial Guard. It's Imperial Guard. And what's it called? Dark Angels, obviously. So then you want to go out and get your army-specific codex. If you bought the starter set, you don't need to go out and grab the core book, because that's expensive, like stupidly expensive. But, you know, if you want to buy it, you can. Then you can go out and buy minis. So I suggest getting a start collecting box for your army. It comes with everything you need to start a patrol detachment. So, yeah. I'll probably have a video out about this in, I think, hopefully June, because I'm still trying to build up what I need for this video, and it's taking a while. Especially with me not being able to work, it's getting a bit difficult to try and make this video. So it's a little sneak peek for something I have planned in June. And it's a sort of Imperial Guard start collecting type thing that I want to show you guys. So then you want to play a game. Go out to a local store or something and play a game, or play with a friend. So now we got some recommendations for getting into the game. So get the starter set that you want, or that is your level. If you're a recruit and you don't know how to play the game at all, or know just the basics, get recruit. If you know more than just the basics, you know how to play the game, and you want to expand on that, get elite. And if you already want, if you already want to go farther and farther, get command. They all come with models, and they're really, really good value. And then if you want to get out of if you want all the rules, get the core book, and then just split all that with a friend. You don't even have to paint the minis; just assemble them, and then play. If you don't like the game, you can sell them on eBay. So you can resell them on eBay, get your money back, and go buy something else. Then you want to buy your start collecting box for your army. So for me, I bought the Imperial Guard start collecting, and it's going to be here in a while, though, sadly. And then the Dark Angels one, they were all out of, sadly. Then, just to save a bit of money on it, you should really, before going to the Games Workshop website, buy secondhand minis, or buy from third-party vendors. It's a lot cheaper. eBay, Amazon, local game stores specifically, I suggest going to and checking out. My local game store, for example, offers a 15% discount on all Games Workshop products. They usually offer a discount, so I suggest going there and supporting them, especially now because Nurgle's Rot has had its way with the world recently. So then you got eBay and Amazon. They're usually much cheaper. For the eBay, you can get stuff already built, maybe even painted, but you're going to pay a bit more for that. And then there's not many online third-party vendors in the United States that I know of. So that's pretty much a UK thing, and they're only really shipping to the UK, which sucks, but I understand. So then you want to watch battle reports. I always advocate for just not even watching, but listening to them, just so you can get the rhythm of how people play in your head. So if you're like me, and in between 4th and 5th grade, the phone app called Vine ruined your attention span, you can't really sit there and watch 2 hours worth of battle reports. So what I do is I just say, hey, if you're doing schoolwork or something like that, or hell, even playing a game by yourself, turn on a battle report, and you get a bit more experience with the different language used with the game. Then you want to play some games with your friend that you split the starter set with, so you both can get an idea of how to play. So next we have some channels. I got lore channels right here. Majorkill, he's funny. He likes saying the naughty curse words all the time, and absolutely hilarious. So I do suggest checking him out. His videos are short and to the point, with a bit of his own fluff in there. Arch, he has a wide variety of stuff. He does a lot of series type things, like the Siege of Frax. I'm like halfway through the second episode. Then you have Loyton. He goes too far in detail than you will ever need. So then, battle reports, you want to watch. The two main ones for battle reports are MWG Studios and Play on Tabletop. They have everything from Kill Team to regular 40k to Apocalypse. Then you want to also watch Striking Scorpion 82. He has an awesome video where they do a 10,000 power level Apocalypse game. So sorry for that. For painting, you have Midwinter Minis, Miniac, Goobertown Hobbies, and Ninjon. They do mostly painting techniques and speed painting and stuff like that, so I definitely suggest checking them out. There we go. And as always, these Tabletop channels are going to be in the link in the description. So, please, like, subscribe, comment, share. If there's anything you think I missed, please tell me in the description, and I'll do my best to fix it. So, thank you guys for putting up with me for 11 minutes and my sick voice. So, see you guys later.